Welcome to Daily Dose of Vocabulary by Diksha Talks. Comedian Kapil Sharma hikes fee ahead of show's return. That means शो की वापसी से पहले कपिल शर्मा ने बढ़ाई फीस. Hikes means बढ़ाना and ahead of show's return means शो की वापसी से पहले. Comedian Kapil Sharma has fans across the country with his impeccable comic timing and rib-tickling slapstick humor. Here we have few words. One is impeccable. Impeccable, something which is flawless, something which is full of imperfection. That is impeccable. Now the second thing is rib tickling. If you know what does tickle means, tickle means that if you lightly touch a person's part of a body in a way that causes a mid discomfort or itching or often laughter, that is tickle. Matlab in Hindi we say gudgudana. So I tickled him under the ears. You can say rib. Here you can understand what does rib means. Rib means pasliyan. So rib tickling humor or rib tickling joke means the amusing, very hilarious or amusing. Now the next one is slapstick humor. Slapstick means a comedy which is based on deliberately clumsy action. If you see an example of Mr. Bean, Mr. Bean is pure slapstick. It's based on pure slapstick comedy. Now, the next word which we have, he has made a place in the heart of all ages from 8 to 80. And now that his landmark show, the Kapil Sharma show, is about to make a comeback, fans are eagerly looking forward to it. सो उन्होंने 8 से 80 सभी उम्र के लोगों के दिल में जगह बनाई है और अब जब उनका लैंडमार्क शो कपिल शर्मा शो वापस आने वाला है तो उनकी जो प्रशंसक है वो दे आर ईगरली वेटिंग मीन्स वो उनका बेसब्री से इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. Landmarks, here we have a word landmark. So one meaning of landmark we are already familiar with that, but the second meaning is a kind of event or discovery marking an important stage or turning point. You can also call it a milestone. So the show was a huge hit with the audience with the highest TRP on weekends, and the main attraction of the show, as the title suggests, is Kapil Sharma himself with his funny punches and on-spot witty retort. So, what does witty retort? A witty retort means a sharp, angry, or a witty reply. It's no wonder then that he commands the highest fees in the team. It's no wonder means it's not surprising at all. इसमें कोई आश्चर्य की बात नहीं है. Now he is demanding an astronomical fee. Astronomical, something is extremely large, that is astronomical. And however the news is not officially confirmed yet, so here we have used one linking word, that is however. And however means, you can also call it you can also use it as but, or you can also use to introduce a statement that contrasts with or seems to contradict something that has been said previously. Ever since the return of Kapil show was announced, a strong buzz has been created in the media. A strong buzz. Buzz, I already mentioned the word in my previous video, that buzz means an atmosphere of excitement and activity. There are different reports regarding the date of the show's resumption. So, here resumption means the action of beginning something again after a pause or interruption. Although there is no official announcement for the dates, rumors have it that the show will most likely go on air from the last week of July or July 21. There is no official announcement for the dates. Rumors have it. Rumors. Here we have the word rumor, which means a gossip. that show will most likely means probably go on air. Go on air, if a program is on the air, it's been broadcast on radio or television. So here I guess you have learned a lot of words in today's video. If you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Till then, keep learning and keep smiling.